Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome to ICT Year 5. In the last lesson we learned a little bit about Scratch, which I'm sure you guys already know about. Scratch is sort of a programming language that we use to control the computer, and mostly we can use it to control this little sprite right here. If you are like so bored with this sprite, you can delete it by clicking on here. And if you want to add a new cooler sprite, go to the search or choose a sprite from here, and a whole bunch of sprites will open. So I'm gonna search for a very awesome one, something colorful, something, ooh, a dragon. Let's choose that. Double click and it will be added into your theater. So this part is called the theater, right? In today's lesson I'm going to explain to you something called loop, L-O-O-P, loop, which is used in every single program that you can see in your life. Okay? What I'm going to do today is to create a program that makes the sprite follow the mouse over and over and over. And to do that, I'm going to use something called the loop. When I tell you that something runs in a loop or is on a loop, that means it runs continuously, so that the same thing are repeated again and again. Got it? It runs continuously so that the same thing are repeated again and again. Imagine loop is like a circle, and you're driving the car and you're roaming around in a circle again and again and again. The same thing happens, the same buildings you see again and again. It's just like a circle. We use this loop in programming to make the program do something over and over and over again. Okay? So my program is to do a program that makes the sprite follow the mouse, right? So I'm going to start with an event, right? And as you know, every program in Scratch starts with an event. So today let's choose a different event. This event says when spacebar key is pressed. The spacebar is the key, the biggest key on the keyboard, right? So when the spacebar is clicked, I said I want this sprite to follow the mouse, right? So where do you think I should go? Motion. In the motion group, you have a block called, or with a script written, go to random position. Let's drag this into our program and change random position to mouse pointer. So when I'm supposed to press the space bar, this sprite is supposed to move towards or follow the mouse, right? So I'm going to press the space bar. I'm going to place my mouse right here, and then I'm going to press the space bar in 3, 2, 1, go. You see? Okay, but it's not quite following the mouse, right? It only follows or go to the mouse once. So let's press the space bar again. See, it goes where the mouse is, but it's not actually following the mouse. I want this sprite to follow the mouse all the time. Wherever the mouse is moving, I need the sprite to follow. So here I'm going to use the loop, L-O-O-P. Okay, so I want this event to happen over and over and over again. So I'm going to go to control, and we have two types of loop actually. The first one is repeat 10 times, and the second one is repeat forever. Okay, so I'm going to drag this forever here, and I'm going to put this action inside, or this motion inside the loop, so that it's repeated forever. And then I'm going to press the space bar. 1, 2, 3, go. Now it followed the mouse. Let me move the mouse, okay? So I'm moving the mouse without clicking, and you see, now the sprite now follows the mouse over and over wherever it goes. Brilliant, right? I'm gonna keep like playing or left and right, up and down. It is following the mouse. So my program is complete. You see, in computers world or in technology world, loop is used in every single program. Every single program that you have used, the loop is used. Even when you are entering a password, if the password is wrong, ask again. If the password is wrong for the second time, ask again. Maybe the third time it's gonna ask you to click on forgot password. So as I mentioned earlier, if something runs in a loop or is on a loop. It runs continuously. It runs continuously, so that the same thing are repeated again and again. Well, that is it for this lesson. Today we learned and created a program using the forever loop. If you have any questions, please do send me. I really get happy whenever I receive your questions. I hope you guys understood and enjoyed the entire lesson. However, right after this video is done, please press on the plus button so that you can see your homework, and please do send the homework. It also makes me very much happy when all of you send your homework back. Thanks to all of the people who have sent their homework last week. This is it for this lesson. Till I see you in the next lesson, take good care. Bye.